Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix CryptPad import failed issues in 2026. So if you're unable to import files, documents won't upload, or you keep getting import errors, this guide will help you fix it step by step. First, make sure the file format you're trying to import is supported by CryptPad. Unsupported file types can cause the import process to fail immediately. Next, verify that the file is not corrupted. Try opening it on your device first to ensure it is working correctly before importing. Now check your internet connection and make sure it is stable. A weak connection can interrupt uploads and prevent files from being processed properly. Next, refresh CryptPad and try importing the file again. Temporary glitches can often be resolved with a simple reload. Now clear your browser cache and cookies. Corrupted browser data can interfere with uploads and file handling features. Next, try importing the file in an incognito window or a different browser. This helps determine whether the issue is browser-related. Now disable browser extensions temporarily. Ad blockers, privacy tools, and security extensions can sometimes block file uploads. Next, make sure your browser is updated to the latest version to avoid compatibility issues. Now check the file size and ensure it does not exceed any applicable upload limits. Finally, restart your browser and attempt the import again, or try uploading a smaller test file to confirm everything is working, and that's it. You've successfully fixed CryptPad import failed issues. Now your files should upload and import properly without any problems. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this.